custard. You say there's Laura. I'm gonna shift the camera near you when you did the lick. When you lick the Jesus, are you a village man? This is the way you are just licking it. Oh my goodness. Are you hungry? Papa wants to finish your black custard. He will say he wants to drink black custard. Which good morning, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to our channel. Welcome back to Wadolo Family TV. Welcome back to everybody's channel. How you all doing today, guys? Guys, yesterday was so stressful, honestly. Guys, thank God for everything went well, guys. As I'm talking to you guys, I'm using my one eye to look at this side. I have a lot of plates that I'm going to be washing because I didn't wash dishes yesterday. Yes, I washed dishes day before yesterday night. You know, yesterday we went for my kids' circumcision. So when we came back, when we used to eat and everything, yesterday was so stressful. I was so very tired, seriously, because I went for many places. From there, I went for an appointment like 2 hours. Guys, I was even sleeping there. I don't even hear everything when they talk. I passed there to another appointment. Is the device sleeping? I'll go change his diaper. So, guys, it was not easy. And they came back. Before I came back, just rushed to go and bathe the baby because it was just so disturbing me yesterday. I don't know what is going on. Went to go and bathe him because me, I want to take my own bath too, because I didn't take my bath before we left to the hospital yesterday because we left early, so I couldn't take my bath because there was no time for me to take my bath. So that is it then. Before I finish everything, it was after 8, guys. Trust me, and I was so very tired when I lie down. I didn't even know when I slept. I didn't know because the kids sleep all early, so I put them on their bed to sleep. Then I slept and I wake up, I check the time after 10. I went to go and eat myself, then I came back again, I slept again. Guys, trust me, before, and because this is my baby doesn't disturb me every like midnight like that again. We just wake up at 8 and just go back to sleep. Before you now wake up at once I'm there, I feed him, then sleep back. So guys, it wasn't easy when they came back, you know, as a kiss, especially Valentine. He had only circumcised. He was just doing like if Wisdom that had operation for neve and also circumcised. Trust me, is the strongest one. You will not know it is the strongest one. It's very strong. Valentine, any small thing like this, even if not small wound like this, he will be carrying it like egg. I don't know. Do it like this. Now it's working like, you know. But so the doctor writes on paper for us that to go and submit in the school, that you will not be going to school for 6 days. And behold, we went there. I was even telling my husband before because we have an app when the one he used to eat in school. I check it that from next week and next 2 weeks, like they cancel the food. I believe they are not going to be opening the canteen, or they have holiday. I was telling my husband before, but right now, behold, they have 2 weeks holiday, yes, but they have school today. Today is Friday, so next week and next 2 weeks no school. And I'm happy because I want the circumcised to heal very well, like, because Valentine is not is doing like this. I don't know for him, so by then everything will be fine. So that is it. Okay, then also the cream that we'll be using it to rub it, we went to go and buy it yesterday at the pharmacy because they write a prescription for us also. It's not easy, honestly. So that is it. And I'm going to be washing these dishes now, but first I think my baby's diaper is wet. I will change it, but he has not had something this morning. Look at the tea I made for them. They didn't even drink. I don't know why they did not drink. This one is Valentine. Use this one to drink because if I use small cup for him, it's not enough for him. That is why I normally use this one. This one will full. You drink it, you finish. You like to drink tea. Then Wisdom use this one. If I use cup for Wisdom, it's not with food. That is why I normally use for the bottle. But I don't know why they don't want to drink. all these things I'm going to be washing this one to this so I don't even know where to start. I will like, let me just wash these dishes because I'm going to be putting the cream on where the circumcise. Then I don't know where to start honestly because I'm so confused. All my house is very dirty. I've not even arranged. It's already to 10 because I have somewhere to go today. Yes, at least by 11 to 12. Like, let me say by 12 I want to leave the house. I have somewhere to go, but I will not be taking baby with me. I will leave the baby with Papa. The kids will be staying with Papa. I will go all alone. So that is it. And I don't even know where to start honestly. How are you all doing today? Welcome back to this channel. And if you are new here, you are welcome. Okay, my name is Loveth. Okay, and I have 3 boys here living with me in France. My beautiful kids and my cute husband. But I'm a mom of 6. So how you all doing? I hope you guys are doing great. Because my house is very dirty, I don't know where to start this because I was like, let me mop this house today, but I don't think I can mop it today. What I will just do to arrange, and I will just arrange and sweep. Then tomorrow is Saturday, then I will just mop it because since I have somewhere to go, then that is why I cannot mop it. If not, if Friday, it's not a problem. I can mop it twice a week, 3 times a week. You can see this plate here. I'm just looking at this plate right now because I'm so confused about everything because normal I didn't arrange the house yesterday. I didn't sweep yesterday before we left the house because normally wake up 5 and we left the house 6 o'clock. So that is why. Please, I am begging you guys. I need you guys support. Yes, I need you guys support. Very support, please. I have other channel, so I've monetized that channel since not now, more than 1 year. Because of the relocate that from Germany we relocate to France, I was not be able to be uploading every time on that channel, but I was trying everything possible to be uploading on this one too. Then I just also because of my pregnancy, I was so tired. It's not easy. Then I just left it like that first. But right now I want to be uploading. I also have a new upload that I uploaded, I think 2 days ago. Please guys, I need you guys support. Okay, the name of the channel is loveth mukbang and cooking. Okay, what I'm doing there is not the same thing I'm doing here. Please guys, please, if I upload, I will be putting the channel. I will be putting the link on my community tag on this our family channel, please. And also I will drop the link at the description box. Okay, please, you guys should check it out. I will drop this link at this right video at the description box. You guys should try. What I do there, I do things a lot there for now. I don't know, but I think I will be doing things a lot there. What I do there is mukbang, which means eating and also cooking. Okay, since this year I have not even cooked, I said okay, let me just try with mukbang. It's not easy. I was just lazy to carry camera, just the film, they cook. It's not easy because it's long. I did it. But sometimes I will be cooking also. Yes, I'm doing mukbang, but it's just for me. And guys, this our channel, we did a lot of things. It's because of 1 or 2 things that you have been normally before when I monetize this channel. Guys, me and my husband, we did challenge, eating challenge, but sometimes like the thing just stopped. Then it was working and it was not that easy. Even when it stopped working, it was like it doesn't want to do it with me anymore. I don't even know, understand. We did challenge, we did mukbang with my kids also before, and family vlog and all of that. But right now we will be starting back our eating challenge. Yes, we'll be starting back our eating challenge. Yes, that is it. I know you guys is going to love it. Yes, my husband is someone who's shy at the camera. No problem. Even if you don't say anything, I'm the one that will go to be say something. You know, just let the challenge begin. That is it. So he said no problem, but I'm going to put 1 or 2 things in order. Then we'll start this challenge again. Okay, and I know you guys cannot wait to see me and my husband doing eating challenge. Okay, that is it. Please try and support me in my second channel, Loveth, Mukbang and Cookie. That is the name of the channel, because that was not the name of the channel before. I changed it. I changed the name of the channel. I'm going to be dropping the name here or here, and drop the link at the description box. Okay, and I hope you guys will support me. Please support me, subscribe to that channel, so that anytime I drop a new video, I drop any video there, you guys will. Guys, I just finished all the house chores. Thank God. Where I'm doing laundry, I have a lot of clothes to wash, a lot, like 3 machines. So I've already put one. Then right now I'm going to take my bath. Before I finish taking my bath, then the clothes will washed, then I will sun it, then I'll put another one, then before I go out. Okay, if I come back, then I'll sun that one again, then I'll put the third one. Or if I cannot wash the third one today, that one is baby, so then maybe I'll wash it tomorrow. That's crazy, guys. So if you want to eat, now you want to eat their toaster too. You say there's Laura. I'm going to shift the camera near you when you did the leak. When you lick the Jesus, are you a village man? This is the way you are just licking it. Oh my goodness. Are you hungry? Papa wants to finish your black custard. He will say he wants to drink black custard, which means we should put tea for him. You want to eat yellow custard? I want to eat black custard. I want to eat. Okay, let me just go and take my bath. Sit down. Then I don't want this video to be too long, as well. I want to end the vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Like I said before, guys, please try and support me on my second channel. Eating. Maybe they try to demolish the food together. Demolish it, and sometimes I will be cooking too. That is all about the channel. Okay, it's not the same thing here. This one is, if you want to know anything about my family, please try and support me. Subscribe to that channel. Turn your bell for me. I beg. Now I beg I do. I need that for now. I beg. Alright, let me just go and take my bath. I will see you guys in my next video. I just rub my hair. This is my dread, It don't a good though. Oh my god. So I'm loving it, I'm loving it. I'm so loving it. I'm going to lock it. But I don't know when. I'll try and lock it.